Today is the day 8 of me eating raw fruits and vegetables, and I feel incredible. I feel amazing. I don't feel tired. I don't feel weak. And I am so excited to share this with you. Guess what? I'm going on day 30. Are you ready to join me? Come along, because we are going to rock 2024 like no man's business. Yes, I am landing my weight loss journey in early 2024, and I'm hoping that you join me, because this is a mindset shift. Here is my shopping. Hey guys, I'm about to shop. Today is day 4 of this fruit and vegetables, going on day 30. So you can see I'm looking amazing. So I don't know where all this energy is coming from. Let's go shopping. You know, we have the tendency of allowing what people say to disturb us, like, oh my gosh, are you gonna do all that for 30 days? Are you sure you're not gonna eat? Are you sure you're not gonna like slum or faint? I don't know about you, but for me, I have stopped listening to what people would say, allowing people's opinion to run my life. I have made up my mind to take care of myself, because it is my duty to take care of myself, and I know what is best for myself. So I don't allow people to control me, because the reality is that when people make negative comments about other people, they are obviously exposing their insecurities within them. So I don't allow people to run my life. I don't allow people's opinion to be the final say for my life. I stand up for myself. I do what is best for me. I go for it, because I really want to finish up with this weight loss journey and move on to something else, because everything that has a beginning must have an end. You know what? I am ready. How about you? Are you ready? Hi, my name is Mfon, and starting from this month into next month, guess what? No Christmas chicken or turkey or whatever you eat, ham, whatever, for me this year, because I am on a raw fruits and vegetables, and I am so happy to do this at this time of the year, because this is the period that people tend to gain a lot of weight. But I am going to be eating just fruits and vegetables, and I have been doing this for the past 8 days, and I am so healthy. In fact, I'm feeling so healthy. This morning I checked my weight. I started from 203 pounds. Today I am 195 pounds, and just in 8 days I've been able to lose 8 pounds, hopefully to lose 30 pounds in 30 days. I don't know how that will go, but I've lost 8 pounds in 8 days, and I feel amazing. I feel incredible. And guess what? I do 30 minutes of exercises every day. I mean, with eating just fruits and vegetables. Where are all those energy coming from? Let me tell you, this is the best diet, and it is not just to starve yourself from eating real food. It is healing your body. So if you are still thinking about it and still sitting by the fence, I invite you to jump into it and enjoy all the benefits of eating just fruits and vegetables. I mean, let me just tell you the benefits, because if some of you are still sitting on the fence and wondering, is this for me? Is this not for me? Let me just tell you, when you go on a raw fruit and vegetables, you are going to help your body a whole lot. You're going to help your body to detoxify. You're going to boost your immune system. You're going to cleanse your system, which is also detoxify, and you're going to lose weight. I believe in getting healthy to lose weight, because I used to, try to lose weight to get healthy. But now, like I said, it's a mindset shift. I am getting healthy to lose weight. So let me tell you, my bowel movement, normally I used to wonder, I'm not eating like cooked meal. Why am I using the bathroom every day like when I used to eat normally? I'm using the bathroom every morning, sometimes twice, and I am pooping out fat. I mean, it's not just a small something is, a lot. And I'm like, this is fats because I'm just eating fruit and vegetables. And to some people, like, you are not gonna be full. I just know that it is fat that I'm passing out, which is what my body needs right now. So I'm on a break, and break from cooked food, and I feel fantastic. I'm not saying this to encourage you to do it. I'm just saying it to tell you that this is health. This is me loving myself. This is me embracing, health and taking care of myself. This is self-care. I feel incredible. I know I've said this over and over again, but just to let you know that you might feel you're gonna die. You might feel, oh, I'm gonna be skinny. Nope. You are gonna be healthy. So I have been eating fruits and vegetables. I've been eating all sorts of it. I've been eating salad, vegetable salad. I've been eating smoothie. I don't like juicing because I don't want to throw the fiber away. That's what my body needs right now. And normally I don't really juice because I just like to eat the fiber with the fruits, with the juice in it. So I do a lot of cutting. I love my fruit fresh. I don't really buy the one that is already cut at the store. I cut them by myself and I put it together and I enjoy them. I eat it fresh, eat it organic. I love organic because I believe in taking care of myself, loving myself enough to spend a little more money to buy organic fruits and vegetables that will give me all the nutrients that it was supposed to, not the one that is synthetic and is made from the laboratory. So that's why I chose organic. In case you ask, why do you have to eat organic? So I eat organic because it is natural, it is healthy, it contains all the nutrients that a fruit is supposed to contain, and that will help my body to detoxify properly and heal properly. So you might ask, why am I doing this? I am working on landing the weight loss journey. Everything that has a start must have an end. So I have been doing this weight loss journey for the past 3 years. So this time around is landing the plane. So that's why I'm doing. I hope you join me, and I hope you are encouraged to see that you can lose weight, you can get healthy, you can boost your immune system and detoxify your system and start a new year with a much more healthier body and be happy. So join me. Today is the day 8, going on day 30. I am a mother of 4, and if you think that you can't do it as a parent, those were one of the things I used to tell myself. The people that are doing it, maybe they are single, they are not married, they don't have kids. Oh, I'm gonna be stressed out with kids. That was the lie I used to believe. Like I said, it's a mindset shift. So go ahead, do it, try it for yourself. I am so happy with what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna share the results with you. And if you want me to do weekly updates concerning my weight loss, like today I've lost 8 pounds. So if you want me to share a weekly update, I will be more than glad to do that. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.